Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Canon FD 135mm 3.5. By now, you probably know that 1. Canon FDs are some of my favorite vintage lenses and 2. 135mm is one of my favorite focal lengths. So, when I saw this lens at a good price and in great conditions, I just had to buy it. Quick history refresher: the Canon FD mount was introduced to the market in 1971 and in 1976 it was updated to the NFD or New FD, until it was replaced in 1987 by the EF mount. The lens we're looking at today is from the NFD era. But enough talking, let's take a closer look. This lens is made out of metal and hard plastic. It weighs 300 grams, it is 87mm long when focused to infinity and 105mm long when fully extended, with a 52mm front thread. It has a built-in sun hood lined with an opaque material to avoid reflections. The Aries has 6 blades, the aperture is clicked and it goes from f3.5 to f32 with half steps plus auto. The focusing ring is textured and it turns 230 degrees and minimum focusing distance is 1.3 meters. Flange distance for the Canon FD mount is 42mm. Sharpness is, well, honestly, it's good throughout the aperture range. Even wide open at 3.5, both the center and the corners are very sharp. There is a bit of chromatic aberration wide open, but it's mostly barely noticeable. Specular highlights are quite smooth, but they still have thin, hard edges. Subject separation is good and backgrounds are soft without being rendered into complete mush of colors. Talking about colors, they match the rest of the Canon FD line, being neutral, if a bit low in contrast. Flares are well controlled, even when shooting directly into a source of light, and ghosting has not been a problem in my time testing the lens. And now, let me show you some samples. Once again, Canon FD lenses prove themselves to be good and reliable. And that's it. I don't know what else to say. Anyway, my kit is growing nicely with the 28, 50, 135 and 300, and I'm very pleased with that. Next up, I want to compare the Canon FD to my current favorite 135mm, the ASA Pentax M, so stay tuned for that. And that is all for today. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, yada yada yada. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!